Now we solve one question. If zeros of a quadratic polynomials are 2 and 5 by 3, then find the polynomial.
Start.
We know a quadratic polynomial is given by x square minus sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros. So to use this formula, what we need? Sum of zeros and product of zeros. The given zeros are 1 0 is equal to 2 and other is 5 by 3. Now to find the sum of the zeros, we add these two zeros, 2 plus 5 by 3, which on solving gives us 11 by 3. Now product of zeros. Here to find the product of zeros, we will multiply two zeros and what we get? 10 by 3. So using the formula, we get Px equals to x square minus sum of zeros x plus product of zeros, or x square minus 11 by 3x plus 10 by 3. And you know, if a polynomial is multiplied with one constant, 3x square plus 10 as the answer, multiplying with 3, we get 3x square minus 11x plus 10 as the polynomial whose zeros are 2 and 5 by 3.